Hey y'all, this is Richard with NETX Pressure Washing Services. Today we're cleaning this lovely home here in Kingwood, Texas. As you can see, we're spraying our algaecide to eradicate all the mold, algae, and cobwebs that's just built up around this home. Now this is a very, very nice house. And as you can see, there's a lot of mold on the corners of the home, especially around the soffits and windows and whatnot. Now let's look further down. All right, so we're complete with the house wash. Clean the sidewalk that leads up to the driveway and garage. Chimney stacks clean, windows are washed. As you can see, this patio. Now, one of the issues that we came across here was the water spots from the previous job that was done, and mold was just left on those corners. And the way we approached it, we used a pump spray to remove the mold, and we used Murphy's wood cleanings. And that was a very successful job because we were able to bring that wood color back out, and customers pretty happy with the results. And as you can see, doing our final walkthrough, make sure we put everything back where they belong, put the furnitures back where they belong. Mind you, we also did a complimentary cushion cleaning. It had a lot of mold and algae built up on it, so we went ahead and washed it for them. Now let's go to the front. So we're wrapping things up, and now we are complete on the front end, putting all the furnitures back where they belong. And I must say, our customer is extremely happy with this, and without a doubt, I believe she'll refer us to all her customers and all her real estate friends. So hopefully you guys could look at our work, give us a call. We are a family-operated business for residential and commercial businesses. Feel free to call us or message us.